For weeks in the Lyft driver app, I kept seeing a message similar to this, and it said that I would be automatically upgraded to the new Lyft maps. I personally like to use Google Maps as my default navigation, so I figured that Lyft would just switch me over to Lyft Maps, and then I would just switch it back to Google Maps as my default navigation. Well, I was wrong, and support for setting Google Maps or Waze as a default navigation app is completely gone in my market. But there is still a hidden way to launch Google Maps or Waze if you want to from the Lyft driver app. Let's discuss. Now first off, I thought this removal of Google Maps and Waze as default navigation options in the Lyft app happened to every market at once, and I found out this week that that is not the case. This has happened in markets over a year ago that Waze and Google Maps have been removed as default navigation apps. But personally, when I drive both Uber and Lyft, I like to have multiple navigation options. Most of the time, I will use the in-app navigation on both Uber and Lyft, but there are other times where the route might be complicated where I want to launch that third-party navigation. I want to launch personally Google Maps. Again, for most routes, they're pretty straightforward, but there are times where the route is a little bit more complicated, traffic might be heavier, and I want to check both to see what routes they recommend and see if there's a better route on Google Maps. I just like having multiple options, and I don't like being locked into the default navigation within the driver apps. Alright, so on Uber, in my market of Minneapolis and St. Paul, we still have the option to set Google Maps, Waze, or Apple Maps as our default navigation app. But as of this week here in Minneapolis and St. Paul, that is no longer the case on Lyft. So when I gave my first Lyft ride this week, Lyft in-app navigation automatically launched, and I had actually completely forgot about all those messages that I had been getting over the weeks that I would be switched automatically to the Lyft in-app navigation. But I figured after that ride, I'd just go into my navigation settings and set Google Maps as my default navigation app again. I went to the navigation settings in the Lyft driver app, and then I saw this message again: Google Maps and Waze are no longer available in your region. I was really annoyed, even though most of the time I will use the Lyft in-app default screen, just look at the map and see how it routes me that way, but sometimes I do want to launch Google Maps and I no longer had that option, or so I thought. When I look at that original message that Lyft was sending in the driver app, that second sentence says alternative maps will still be available through the turn-by-turn guidance list if needed. And when I originally read that message over the last few weeks, I thought that that meant that I would still have Google Maps and Waze as default navigation options. And that is no longer the case, but you still have the option to launch Google Maps or Waze within each trip if you want to. It's just a little hidden. So you can be navigating to the passenger's pickup location or to their drop-off location. You'll just select the navigate button. That will launch Lyft in-app navigation. And then what I did was select the route overview option. Then I tapped the navigation bar at the very top there. This will bring you to the directions screen, and all you have to do is select that pop-out link on the top right there. And then at the bottom there, you'll see that you can open in Waze or open in Google, and this is how you can launch Waze or Google Maps from the Lyft driver app now. Again, you have to do this on a per trip basis. You can't set them as your default navigation apps anymore. It's good that we still have this option. It's a few steps to get to either one of those navigation apps. I'd still like to set Google Maps as my default navigation, but I'll take this, I guess. But again, I know for many of you, this has been the case in your Lyft driver app for over a year now. For us here in Minneapolis and St. Paul, it just started this past week. Again, I personally like to have multiple options. I just don't like being locked into the in-app navigation. It's more control that Uber and Lyft can have over us. They can control the route that they want us to take. But what about all of you? How long have Google Maps and Waze not been default navigation options in your market? And also, did you know that there's still a way to launch Google Maps or Waze from the Lyft driver app? If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on not receiving an in-app tip on Lyft for over a month, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.